one and all. How's everyone doing? I hope well. I'm going to be doing something a little different today. I'm going to be doing an easy chocolate cake. I got this from the Bon Appetit YouTube page. I hit the link for the recipe, and then I'm going to go make it. But I'm also going to link it in the description along the recipe, and I'm also going to be linking the, hang on, make sure my oven was cleaned out because I'm preheating my oven. So I basically have all my ingredients prepped already, just to save time and measuring. And let's get right to it. Okay, so I have an 8-inch pan, prepped, parchment lined for the bottom, already sprayed, ready to rock and roll. Should wash my dishes first. I'm warming up some milk. I'll explain why. I've got the sugar and flour ready to roll, and I realized I just forgot something. Sorry for the camera moving, but I had it off to the side. I thought I was ready, but apparently I wasn't. Okay. Okay, so that's warming up. Flour, sugar. This is salt, baking soda, baking powder. I just measured out on the paper plate. Cocoa. And you want to, I was informed, you want to sift it. Apparently it makes a smoother cake. I can bring it a little closer. If you sift, just doing a little bit at a time, so I think my milk is done. I figure if I sift it, I don't have to worry about it makes it smoother. Okay. You want to take a whisk. Just whisk your dry ingredients together. Okay. You're going to want to add 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2 eggs and vanilla. Get those in there. I just realized I forgot something else. Not you. Just get a spoon or a spatula and hope you guys can see. Okay, so stir that up. Okay. It's about how it looked on the video too. And then you add 1 cup of milk that I warmed on the stove. Apparently it helps bloom the chocolate better. And they warned that it's going to seem like it's not coming together. But he says with a little persistence it will. There you go. Nice smooth cake batter. Cool. And then I have my pan here. Make sure you guys can see. Get that. Now I gotta mention, this is the first time I'm making this recipe. So, take the batter, pour it in the pan. And then made a bit of a mess, but you just want to tap it a few times to get the air bubbles out. Alright, the oven is warm. I'll put the cake. They said 40 minutes, or 40 to 50 minutes. I'll set it for 40 and then check it. And we'll be okay, so 5 minutes 41 seconds left. Excuse me. Yeah. I'll just run with it. Wow, dude. Okay. Centered. I'm going to read the ingredients real quick, so if you want to pause the video and go grab a pen and paper, or I'm going to put it in the description anyway, but I'm going to read you the ingredients real fast. So it's 3/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, 1 1/3 cup flour, 1 1/4 cup sugar, granulated, 1 1/2 teaspoons of 1 3/4 teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, 1/2 cup cocoa, sifted, like I did, 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, warmed on the stove, not to a boil, just warmed, I think till it starts to wisp, I think he said, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Bake it at a 325-degree oven, 40 to 50 minutes. This timer goes off in 4 minutes 20 seconds. I got this little skewer here. I'm going to be checking the cake and see how done it is. If it needs more, I'll bake it more naturally, and if not, I'm going to put it back in. So we'll be back in 4 minutes. Alrighty, let's check this guy out. No, I know it's not. Yeah, it's not done. I can tell as soon as I poked it. Alright. We're gonna 8 minutes. See you in 8 minutes. Alright, 8 minutes has passed. Let's see if we're happy. Hey, it didn't fall. Yay! It didn't poke clean. Let's try a knife. I'm going to give it a few more. Four more minutes, I think. Alrighty, 4 extra minutes. Well, it looks really good, I'll tell you that. Oh, put clean. Sweet. Well, let me get the one. Need a towel. Didn't see that one through. Alright, let's get this guy out. Sweet. Let me go ahead and Put my cast iron back in. Sweet. Alright, that's what she looks like. When the pan cools down, I'm going to undo the snap here. The snap here. And then pull it from the bottom. And then the recipe actually calls for melting chocolate, and stirring in and mixing with cream cheese, but I'm just going to use rich and creamy Betty Crocker frosting, which I admit is a bit lame, but it'll be easy. And I like easy. Alright. Pan is cool. Let's see if we can pop this out of here without breaking it. Get the paper off. Sweet. It might be cool enough to go ahead and frost. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright. I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm just going to put some frosting on it. Now, it's just my opinion, but I think a lot of places just put way too much frosting on cakes. Like, I want to taste cake. I don't want to sit and eat 9 pounds of frosting. I don't know if they think it makes the cake look bigger. But get this around the outside. And there we go. I'm not going to do any fancy decorations because I'm just doing a chocolate cake. Now, if it's somebody's birthday and you're going to do that, just stick a candle on it and call it good. I think that looks just fine. And I didn't miss any spots. Well, I guess I missed a tiny little spot. There we go. Sweet. It's actually taken me quite a while to make this video because I made dinner, ate dinner, relaxed. We're going to have a piece of cake. Let's take a look at this. Look at that. Oh man. Need a fork. There you go. Still a little bit warm inside, but that's alright. It's good cake, I tell you what. Mmm. Alright. Wish I had some ice cream. Anyway, appreciate you watching. Have a good one. Check the recipe out. Description below, and I'll catch you on the next video.